Hello everyone, I will show you how to fix call failed on Messenger. First of all, what you need to do is to click out, and after that, the first step, what you need to do is to tap on the settings from here, and you need to make sure you have strong Wi-Fi connection or strong cellular data connection. And this is the first step. And the second step, what you need to do is to open App Store from here, and you need to search for Messenger from here really quick. Click on it, and after that update it from here, and after you update it, click back and tap on the settings again. Scroll down and tap on general and tap on software update, and from here you need to update your iPhone. You need to make sure iOS is up to date. Click back, and the third step, what you need to do is to scroll down until you find Messenger from here. Click on it. Here I have it here. I will tap on it, and after that you need to allow Messenger to access photos, and microphone enable it, and camera enable it, and notification if you would like. And you need to enable background app refresh, and tap on the last option, wireless data, and from here you need to choose the last one. And after that, click back, and this is the third step. And the fourth step, what you need to do is to scroll down and tap on general again, and tap on iPhone storage, and after that scroll down and tap on Messenger if you find it, and tap on upload app, and tap on upload app to clear data and make it smoother. The Messenger app make it smoother. And after that we show up to you reinstall. Tap on reinstall, and after you reinstall it, you can open Messenger and see if it is working, and if it is not working and you can't call anyone on Messenger. What is this mean? That mean this person is block you. Maybe this person block you, and that's why you can't call him. And if this is the reason, is not the problem, and maybe you can, and the last solution, what you need to do is, if it is all of them not working, you need to call Messenger support from here on the three lines on the left top corner, and tap on settings on the gear icon, and scroll down all the way to the end, and tap on report a problem from here, and tap on report anyway, tap on include, and from here insert your problem. What is your problem from here? And from here you can add a media as well for your problem. Take a picture and tap on send on the right top corner, and basically that's it. This is how you do it. That's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.